Good morning, concrete lovers. This is a site in Harar Nagar where they are making soil stabilized blocks at construction site only using hand press machine. You can see how the workers, about 5 to 6 workers, are doing the work. They are using cement, they are using soil, they are using sand and mixing it together and pressing the blocks. Already they have made so many soil stabilized blocks. We can have a look at it. Very neatly it has come. This will be used for the same home construction. They are putting one by one, the stacking. So you need not be a factory to do this work. At site only they are manufacturing. This is very eco-friendly construction. Very small machine involving about 5 workers. Blend of cement, soil, sand together. Small press is there, man-made press. So to make the construction more sustainable, we have to adopt eco-friendly techniques. This is one more method. There they put the soil that side. Soil excavated for foundation, they have taken it out from here and using the same soil for making eco-friendly constructions. Very good initiative by the owner and the engineers. Really proud of this development. A small site can manufacture their own eco-friendly brick to use it for their masonry construction and make the construction eco-friendly in India. Thank you very much.